Yes, good morning to every one of you. This is a presentation from Srinivas IAS Academy about CSAT classes. You may contact us for offline as well as online classes across the country. Thank you. Now, this is logical sequence of words. This topic is all about logical sequence of arranging words. You have to see the arrangement. There are 5-6 words will be given. We have to see the logical sequence. Sequence you have to see either from left to right or right to left or smaller to largest, from largest to smallest. Either sequence. Only thing is you have to check the sequence. Right. Discussion, orientation, conceptualization, conclusion, investigation. Which is the first takes place. If you are confused, then we have to see that the first, what is the first here in all the options? In the option 1 you can say A, discussion. Option 2, E, this is investigation. Investigation will not happen last, because what is a discussion, orientation, conceptualization, conclusion, investigation. What is the last word? Conclusion, isn't it? Conclusion. Investigation comes only in the middle of the sequence. Conclusion. Conclusion is what? D. What is the option? Last option. You can see this one. Right. You can see that. Now, okay. Already we got the answer. That is fine. But see, normally many people are coming to the colleges these days, no? Because they give presentation about their product or service, particularly service. I have these are the like personality development, so soft skill training, like they are inviting many people outside the colleges because of the national education policy schemes like that, value added programs, all these things. So they come, even I come and give that is some called demonstration. It is not demo, it's a orientation about the product, about the service. This is I have the services like this, I have the product like this. If you take our product or services, you are being benefited accordingly. That's what details we provide, that's called orientation. Orientation is what the option B, right? B is there. It's like that. This is the orientation. After orientation, what will happen? See now investigation, because many people walk into our campuses, colleges, our classes, they tell a lot of things that is. But what we need, then they tell us, we choose among the 3 that is. That what is then we have, whether we really required or not, how to do that is in terms of money factor, time factor, and the really we need, that's called investigation. A, B, E. Next comes after the investigation, we'll have then the discussion. Next comes to the conceptualization. This is the option is what? 4. Okay. This is the net exam, it was the question that is. Looks troublesome, but if we go by the options, first thing is you will come to know immediately that is. Okay. And next, we'll move on to the next question. Now we can see that what are the words are there related to this accident, ambulance, rash driving, injury, hospital, treatment. This is an easier one. What will happen takes place first one? Rash driving. Rash driving is what is the number here? 3. But everywhere 3 is there. Okay, right. And after the rash driving, what happens? That leads to rash driving will lead to accident. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Nowhere you can see here.
3, 1, sir.
3, 1 accident. Okay, 3, 1. So this is a 1 and there are 3. This is completely ruled out. After the accident, what will happen now?
Injury.
Ambulance is there, injury will take place. 4. So again this is out, and now this is 4 and 4. And after the injury, what happens now? Ambulance will come. Even see the ambulance, both you can qualify, both C and D will qualify. After the ambulance will be taken to hospital. Then it comes to treatment. 5, 6. 5, 6. Is that right? That is a thing. This is sequence of words. Yes, next. Write, publish, author, reader, sale. Which is the last one takes place. First and last. Now, sale. Sale is the last. Reader also is there. See that. Reader also is there. Which is the last one. After buying only we go for reading. But here see, write to publish, author, reader, sale. Okay, if it is the last is if you think sale is the last one, file last the file, there are only one such option is there. And then 5, what is the fourth? What is the fourth one? Reader. Reader will not be the first one. Reader will not be the first one because author is there, publisher is there, writer is there. Definitely this option is not correct. Right. Next to all 3 options is 4 is there. Options, if you see the 4. What is the fourth one? Reader. All will qualify. Reader will qualify. But here the reader, you can see what first one is sale. After sale, okay, 5, 4 you can take. 5, 4. This is the 5, 4. And this is also correct. This is also correct. Anyway, this is not correct. But and see, like reader 5, 4 is over. Now you can write, publish, author. What happens that? First author will write, then go to the publish. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We don't see 3, 1, 2. Option A, 3, 1, 2 is 5. That is right. First one, write author. First is the author, which is who is the author. He writes, then it goes to the publishing. The reader, sale and reader. This is the one. Yes. Next you can see. Now we can see for this one. What is the options? Illness, dispensary, doctor, medicine, consultation. Which one happened? That is first dispensary, doctor, medicine, consult, illness. Which one will happen first? Illness. So what is illness? You can see number 1, but we got the already answer now. Illness, after the illness what happens? We consult a doctor. Doctor, 3. So the 3 is there. 3. After the doctor consultation, you can see the dispensary. Dispensary is what? Medical store. Store. Dispensary. Which will happen? Consultation or doctor first? Illness. Doctor. 1, doctor. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 2, 4. 1, 3, 5, 2, 4. 1, 3, 5, 2, 4. That's absolute right. This is. And next you can see, and shoulder, wrist, elbow, palm, finger. I think this is the parts of the body. Maybe you can see the options from smaller to bigger, or from top to bottom up, or top bottom. Shoulder, wrist, elbow, palm, finger. Finger you can take from here to top. Yeah, from finger. Let's start from 5. Do you see there is one such option is there? 5. This is a 5. Palm. Finger is palm. It's a 4. And yes, wrist you can take. And elbow. This is elbow. And shoulder. So option is D. Okay. Yes. Next. Praise, letter, word, sentence. Praise means what here? A group of words. Sentence. Sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sentence. It's called a sentence. Group of words is a praise. Like praise and clause. Like praise means a group of words. For example,
it doesn't make sense, it will make sense as well. Praise will not make sense.
Any sense.
Sentence will make a sense.
Sense. That it means sentence, but no.
Meaningful word.
Yeah. What is the meaning that is? Like that. Because for example, like a book in the corner. It is a sentence or a praise, a group in the a book in the corner. Praise. Why it is not a meaningful sentence? A book in the corner still it gives a meaning. So yes, that's why I think no book defined this one, because sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense in the sense what that should contain a verb. If there is no verb in a sentence, that's not a sentence. The verb shows the time. That's the verb is an action what is required for every sentence. In a group of words, if there is no action word, it's not a sentence. That's all. Right. Now we can see the letter words praise sentence. What is the first one? Letter. Letter forms the word. 2, 3. 2, 3. Yes, 2, 3. There are option C, D qualified. Next, praise and sentence. 1, 4. 1, 4. So this is the right. Next, arrange the meaningful sequence. Honey, flower, bee, wax. First one will happen honey, flower, bee, wax. Wax is a last product. So next you can see there is only one such item is there. Option C qualifies according to the rule. And right, flower, bee, honey, like that. Okay. Now arrange the meaningful hotel management 2004 question. Site, plan, rent, money, building, construction. Which one will happen then first? Site, plan, rent, money, building, construction. Okay. So it looks panic. First to construction is there. Okay. Construction, building. Building is the last one. Building is the last one. What is a building? That is a 5. Where do you see? Even we don't see at all there. Maybe from
rent last year.
Rent word is there. Rent. Yes, rent. Okay, if you take like this rent, before rent there must be building, no? 5. Okay. And construction 6. Okay. Like site, plan, money. First construction, you need money. And what is the plan? Site. Which one happened? Yes. So because see that money, then site, then plan. 4, 1, 2. 4, 1, 2. Yes. It's like that. Next, arrange in a meaningful sequence. Sentence, chapter, letter, book, word, paragraph. So that is again letter 3, 5. Letter 3, word 3, 5. Letter 3, 5. 3, 5. Word, sentence 3, 5, 1. No, reverse we have to see it now. Because in the beginning it is not there. 3, 5, 1. 3, 5, 1. 3, 5, 1. Right. After 3, 5, 1 is what? Next book, paragraph. Paragraph, chapter, book. Book is a final word. Paragraph, like 6, 2, 4. 6, 2, 4. This is right one. So, next you can see, arrange in a meaningful sequence. Police, punishment, crime, justice, judgment. First crime will take place. No? Crime. After the crime, what happens? No? Crime. This is a crime, and police will come. Police will give punishment. No. Police will take to the justice, and justice then gives the judgment, then punishment. 3, 1, 4, 5, 2. 3, 1, 4, 5, 2.
Crime, police, punishment.
No, punishment will give, police has no authority to give punishment. It is a judge, court.
Okay, sir, then we have to go to judgment.
Correct. Justice will give judgment.
We can also think justice can be given after judgment, sir.
No. Judge only will give judgment. Justice means judge. Court. Justice means is equal to judge. Huh? Judge only will give judgment, no other person. Huh? Like that. Yes, next. Okay. Right. Now coding, decoding. This is very okay. We told some 10, I think. Those questions you can do by yourself. Huh? Only thing is some pattern we need to know, that's all. Huh? Okay. In a certain code language, the word train is coded as VP, CGP, then the word proud will be coded as, okay. And before we come to this, and see now, coding, decoding, first you have to write the alphabet. Alphabet you have to give the numbers. I write the alphabet, first you have to do that. No, first don't go to the question. See that first you see that write the alphabet. After that you can solve the questions. Write the alphabet. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Right. Give the numbers. Forward order and backward order. Give numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. This is the forward order. Backward also you have to give the number, position of the letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. This is the numbers, okay? Here. Forward order, backward order. Letter. First letter. Forward order A, backward order Z. If you start from the backward order, first letter is what? Z. Fifth letter E, reverse order V. 10th letter J, Q. And 15th letter O, N. 20th letter T and G. 25th letter Y, B. This is the one. And M, this is the 13th letter, forward order. M is the 13th letter forward. The same way N, this is also 13th letter. So first off is what? A to M. Second off is what? This is the first off. This is the first half of the alphabet, and N to Z. This is the second half. This is the basic, that is. Okay. But you need not write everything in the exam hall while solving the question, but this is a basic, this is a very basis for this one. I'll tell you how to reduce our work also for this. How to reduce our work also, I should tell you that this. Because this is a very basic input. Whether we use it or not, we must be knowing this. Then you will get shortcuts. Because combinations AZ, EV, JQ, OL, TG, YB like that. These are the combinations. First, the position of the letter in the beginning and at the same time the position of letter from the last. It's a combinations like that. AZ, if you see the AZ, okay, fine. Maybe the first letter from the beginning and first letter from the last. It doesn't mean that is every time will happen like this. This is the thing. But how to solve this like that, I'll tell you. This is some few questions I'll tell you, few examples. What is the 16th letter? What is the 16th letter in the forward order? In the forward order. Then what is the 16th letter in the forward order? In the forward order, you need not to write from A, B, C, D, but we know up to M is the 13th letter. M is the 13th. So 13th letter, so asking 16, 14, 15, 16. N, O, P, you can take like that. Don't write entire A, B, C, D from the beginning. M is the first half, up to M is the first half. N is the 14th letter, that's right. And 18th letter in the backward order. Then how do you write backward order? Very difficult. Backward order. So what you have to do, 18 to 26, you can write from A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. That's all. Don't write reverse. This is the 26 reverse order. 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. 18th one. So 19th, 18th. I can be the taken. It's like that. Okay. So this is very simple, you can take like that. But don't write entire ABCD, that consumes more time and space. Now we can see the questions, how it will happen, that is. In a certain code language, the word train is coded as VPCGP. Then the word proud be coded in that language, right? Now we can see read, because always you have to write immediately below that word. TV is a forward order. After T is what? U is the first letter, V is the second letter, plus 2, like that. After T, U is the first letter, V is the second letter, forward order, plus 2. If you read from the top, always say that is forward order. If you read from the bottom, always think that is a backward order. Now we can see P, Q, R, minus 2. P, after P is what? Q. Next to R, minus 2. A, B, C, plus 2. H, I, minus 2. N, O, P, plus 2. I think sequence is well known, plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2. Okay, plus 2 P Q R. Can take. See the options. Do you see any options starting with R? Yes. No. Now P Q R P R P. Okay, already we got the answer now. Right. And O P Q T U V E F. So R P Q T F. R P Q S S T U R S T U. So this is the option. Okay. Yes, like that you have to write. Next, in a certain code language, A is coded as Z. A is coded as Z. You should write like this. A is coded as Z. Immediately you should write. Do not waste time, because this is the fastest scoring area. This is. B is coded as Y. B is coded as Y. And C is coded as X. It means very clear. First letter from the beginning and first letter from the last relation, that is. Now, how perfect P or F E C, how perfect will be coded in that language, right? Position of the letter. What is the backward? This is the P. P is the what is the position of P in the forward order? N O P, 16th letter. This is the 16th letter. What is the 16th letter in the reverse backward order? Huh?
K.
A na? K. Right. E, fifth letter from the beginning. What is the fifth letter from the last? V. K, V. You have to see everywhere it is there. Huh? Okay. Now, but this is we don't know. Right. R is the 18th letter from the beginning. What is the 18th letter from the last? I. KVI. KVI. Except this, all three will qualify. F is the sixth letter from the beginning. What is the sixth letter from the last? U. Okay. So now I think this is the second one is the correct appropriate option. E, 5. And C, this is the V. C already it is given. X. T, 20th is a G. So KVI UVXT. KVI UVXT. This is the right one. No, KVI UVXT. Right. Now, so there are four group of words are given here. In a certain code language, sun rises in the east is coded as ST, SR, SI, SH. Because how many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Codes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every word followed by a code. Now, sun sets in the west is coded as something. And your house faces east is coded as SN, SM, SA, SS. His house faces west is coded as SC, SM, SA, SU. How the words east and west are coded in that language. Now let us see that is in a simplistic manner. Let us see east. Where do you see east? Here you can see east. Faces east. First group and third group can be seen. But in the first group and third group, what is the last? SS. Here also SS. Okay, you can take SS. If that doesn't suit, then you have to find an alternate method. Next, west. Where do you see the west here? This is the west. Here also west. What is the last word? SU. SU. Yes. You can take SU. SS, SU. SS, SU. You can take like that. First we can see the what is the last word. West is the last word in the group. Last word SU. West is here also last is SU is same. So you can take. But option is also available. If even option is not available, then you have to find other method. Okay. Commonalities you have to see. Since it is available, option is also available, then we go ahead with like that. Next. Now you do it now. For this butter patient sweet fruit is coded as something. What is sweet happiness? Hoping is concealing bitter. Patience is art of hoping. Anyway, let the words maybe. How patience is happiness? How patience is happiness is the way to find. Patience. Patience is what? Patience, where do you see the patience here?
First one and last.
And
Last.
see, patience, you can see second word, let us assume PO. Here PO, yes, we can take PO. PO option is also available. PO, okay. Next comes to ease. Where do you see ease? Here we can see, and here also we can see. Both are second words in both the groups. Second, elbow is here. If you take elbow, here also you can take elbow, right? Elbow. And happiness. We don't happiness. See, second group we can see. I think we can't see anywhere else. Happiness. Happiness is the first, second, third, fourth word. 1, 2, 3, 4. What did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4. HO you can take. HO. PO, LO. PO, LO, HO. That's right. That's right. Okay. Next. In a certain code language, Delhi is coded as Delhi is coded as 19. Delhi is coded as 19. Chennai is coded as 27. How will Guwahati, Guwahati is coded like that. Okay. Let us see for Delhi first. Delhi, you can see 19 number is there. Now what you have to do that position of the letter, you have to see that position of the letter. What is the position of D? 4. E 5, N 12, H 8, I 9. You put up the total. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 12 21, 21, 29, 38 will come.
38 by 2.
38 will come. 19 is there. Divided by 2, you will get 19. The position of the letters, sum of the position of the letters and divided by 2 is the answer. Sum of the position of the letters and divided by 2 is code. Now G, what is G? 7. U is what? 21 plus W, U V W, A 1, H 8, again A plus 20 plus 9 divided by 2. What is that thing? 28, 30, 28 plus 51, 52, 60, 61, 70, 90. 90 it will come. 90 by 2. 45. 45. So 45 is the answer. Okay. Next, in a certain code language, on is coded as 210. 210 is a very big value. Maybe the product of position of the letters also is possible. Product of the position of the letters in the alphabet. On, what is on? On equals 210. What is the O equals what? NO 15. Right. And N equals to MN 14. 210 is there. 15 into 14. 14 5s are 70, 14, 21, 210 is, yes. Position of the letters in the product of the position of the letters in the alphabet. Now, off is coded as 540, fine. How set will be coded in that language? Set. S-E-T. It means what? S into E into T. It's like that. What is a S? T. 19 this is. E is the 5th letter into T is the 20th letter. 19 into 38, 38 into 40, 1900. 1900, option D. Next, charcoal is coded as something. How will you code coal core? Okay, there is only one word is given. Coal is coded as 4 5 1 6 4 9 1 3. Coal core. C-O-A-L-C-A-R, coal core. We don't know anything. Let us see. C-O-A-L-C-A-R. C is the O-A-L-C-A-R. All letters are there. Let us see C. Let C be 4 and O be 9. 49. Yes, it is there. A. L is what? 3, C is 4, A is 1, R is 6 here. 4913416. 49134 4913416. Right. This is the thing. Next, in a certain code language is written as now let's say number 2 4 6 8 5 is written as 3 3 7 7 6. How is 3 5 7 9 1 is written in that code? So you can say numbers are very close by. 2 3, 2 is written as 3 plus 1. 4 is written as 3 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. I think plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 is being repeated. Plus 1 4 minus 1 4 and plus 1 8 minus 1 8 plus 1 2. So 4 4 882 44882, option B. The option is B. Now, in a certain code language, GOP is coded as 38. GOP is coded as 38. HVN is coded as 44. How will PNG coded in that language? Now, GOP, let us talk about GOP is 38 means what is G? 7th letter. What is O? NO, or 15th letter. P is what? NOP, 16th letter. 38 is there. Put up the total. 12, 18, 1, 2, 3. So, sum of the position of the letter, that's all. Very simple. And now PNG is what? P plus N plus G. What is P? 16, N 14, plus G 17, 30, 37. Option B. Next, in a certain code language, coffee is coded as 40. Coffee is coded as 40. I think lemon is coded as lemon, that is the letter is wrong. Lemon, lemon. You correct the spelling, that is coded as 59. Correct, no? Lemon, Lemon. Huh? You corrected LE, this is supposed to be M, right? And ginger is coded as is coded as 60. Then how will T be coded in that language? Right. Let us check for first coffee. Right? Coffee is what? Coffee is what? C plus O plus F plus E plus E. Right, 40. Right. This is 3 plus NO 15. Okay. F is the sixth letter. Again, F is sixth letter. E is the fifth letter. E is the fifth letter. 18, 24, 30 plus 40. Position of the letter is added. Only the position of the letters is added. It means what is T plus E plus A? Right. It means T is what? 20th letter plus E is the fifth letter, A is the first letter. 25 and 26 is the answer. Option B. Is typing only, it's not typing ABCD, that is only numbers, so options are given. In a certain code language, IFSP is written as JHTR. IFSP is written as JHTR and MFWF is written as NHXH. How will toad be written in that code? Right. Now IJ, see IJ plus 1, FGH plus 2, GH, ST plus 1, P, after P is what? QR plus 2, right? Plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. Sequence is very clear, understood now. MN plus 1, FHGH plus 2, WX plus UVWX, okay, plus 1, GH plus 2, plus 1 plus 2, very simple, right? And T, you can see T, UV, no, U, O, P, Q, A, B, E, F, U, Q, B, F, U, Q, B, F. Now, in a certain code language, I think you try and solve now. Now, in a certain code language, ANA, EMIA is written as AOA, ENIA, next AQU, EOUS is written as ARU, EOUT. How will EUGENIA written in that language? First we have to crack thing. We have to decode these two words. A is written as A written as A, I is I, E is A. Okay, some are like that. A, E, I. And here also same, A, U, E, U. It means what? A, E, I, U. A, E, I, U is the vowel letters. What are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U are the vowel letters. Vowel letters as written as same. What are the vowel letters here? E, U, E, I, A. Consonant letters like
Plus.
NO, it means plus 1. MN, plus 1. This is the vowel letters again. Okay. Now here QR, plus 1. Even this vowel letters not required. ST, plus 1. Vowel letters are plus 1. G, H, N, O. That's it. EUHE, EUHEOIA. EUHEOIA is the option C. Is the appropriate one. Next, in a certain code language, detail is written as something and health is written as something. How will motion be written? You do it now. Now, detail is written as DETAIL. Detail is written as FCV, YKJ. And health is written as ALTL. Health is written as JCC written as JCC JVF. Motion. Now, DEF. After D, E is the first letter, F is the second letter. After D, E is the first letter, F is the second letter. So, plus 2. See, reverse order. T, E minus 2. After C, D is the first letter, E is the second letter, minus 2, reverse order. This is T. After T, U, V plus 2. Y, Z, A minus 2. J, K plus 2. This is why it is like this. This is the J, this is not T. JKL minus 2. It's a very simple, plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 is being repeated. Okay, what is the plus 2 for M? What is the plus 2 for M? N, O. O you can take. And every alternate is plus 2. T, U, V, O, P, Q. Right. This is minus 2. M, N, O. You can take M. G, H, I. You can take G. K, L, M, N. L, M. So OMV, where do you see OMV? GQL. OMV, GQL. Option C. Option C is the appropriate one. Now, now GRSTB is written as GYX. WL. Hands is written as XISFM and MNDET be written in that code. Fine. Now, okay, the first letter is G is written as same. RY very far. So much far you will not get. First thing. SX also very far. BL very far. All HX again the first letter is same, but here it is not that. Now you have to, if there are more than one word, see what is the words we need, letters we need for MND, so MNDET. Do you see M here? No, we don't see. Then only you have to see the position of the letter. Okay, then what else can be done for here? In a certain code language, GRSTB is written as GYX. Okay, right. Now that is also not possible. Now we have to, definitely it is not directly like the letter to letter. Maybe some reverse order also may be possible. So you can see the GL. What is like GL? After G is what? After G, what is after letters? HIJKL. It means first to second, third, fourth, fifth. Let us say the plus 5. RW. STUVW. First to second, third, fourth. Yes. It means right. So now we can see like that. SX. Yes. TUVWX plus 5. It is coming reverse order. TY. After T is what? UVWXY. Like that is. B2G plus 5 plus 5. Reverse order you have to take. For T, Y can be taken. For E, FGHIJ, EFGHI, NOPQRS, NOPQR, YJISR, YJISR. Option D. Option D is appropriate. Next, try for this question. In a certain code language, GEFS is written as HFER, HFER, and IBIS is written as JCHR. How will still written in that code? GH plus 1, EF plus 1, EF minus 1, minus 1, plus 1 plus 1, minus 1, minus 1, IJ plus 1, BC plus 1, HI minus 1, okay, plus 1, T, after T, U, minus 1, minus 1, HIQR, TUQHQ, TUHQ, option D.
Option 2 now.
D.
Last one was
No. Option D is the appropriate one. Plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. In a certain code language, acquire is written as QCAUERI, address is written as something, and ability is written as, I think it's looks a very big one. What you have to do, I'll tell you that is. You have to see that commonalities, you have to see the letter to letter.
Reverse.
Reverse, acquire, ERI, no.
Sir, first acquire again. First 3 letters are there, sir.
Okay. AC, QUIRE, QCA, QCA, yes, first 3 letters, UVERI,
Middle term is
UERI. It means
Middle term is
ACQ is written as like this, reverse.
Middle term is that.
Middle term is written as same. IR is written as like this, ERI. Okay. And address, ADD or ESS, address. It means what is written here? DDA. DDA. Okay. DDA. Or can be written as it is. Okay. SSE. Like SSC. Right. Ability. Same. Okay. Anywhere. Iceberg. Iceberg. BERG. This is B C E C I. G or E, like so. ECIB, G or E. Option C. Option C is the appropriate one. Now straight is written as ST or AIGHT. Straight is written as TSARG ITH. Thursday will be written in that language. THURSDAY. That's all. See, the if same letters are possible. STTS RAARI. Okay, two letters. ST like that. HTTH like that. Two letters. If you take two letters are reversed, like HT and RUSDDS YA is like that. HTRUDS YA. HTRUDS option 3 is like that. Now Madras is coded as NBESBT. How is Bombay is coded? MN AB DE RS AB, all +1 very simple one. CPN CB option B. CPN +1 where
option A ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
you correct it, that is. Now fish is written as, you do it now, -1. This is simple questions.
ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
Now fish is written as HH or G in a certain line. How would jungle GLE written in that code? Okay, EF -1, HI -1, RS all -1 previous letter, immediately previous letter. IJ TU MN FG KL DE ITM FKD option A. Yes, truth is coded as TRUTH. Truth is coded as SU SUGI. Okay. Let us see, because what is the size of this word? 5 letters. What is the size of the code? 4, 5, 6, 7, 19. It means you take 2 letters for each letter. Now 2 STU minus 1, previous one, next one, or QS, like that. You can write, I will write here really. For STU, for or you can take Q or S, and TUV, like that. Again T, STU, and H, for GHI. This is how, like previous letter, next letter, previous letter, next letter, or minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, either way. False. How do you write for false? EFG ZAB you can take, KLM RST DEF EZB except B, all will qualify. KM or DE, no, KM or DE, KM or DE, or DF, KM or DF, RTDF, but see, the both are possible. DF, RTDF, option EZBK, MRTDF, option C is qualifying. Fine, this is for this session. We shall complete coding, decoding tomorrow.